keep believing. Listen to me. Keep believing. Don't let other people tell you that this is now possible. I just purchased myself a brand new $400,000 Rolls Royce. Listen to me. I'm not showing you this to impress you, but I'm showing you to impress upon you that this wasn't supposed to be my reality. My parents made $20,000 per year. I lost cars, I lost homes. I filed bankruptcy. But keep believing in you. You know the funny part about success? Everybody has their advice, has their philosophy of what it takes to get to the top. Listen, you're smart enough. You're intelligent enough. And everything that you want and everything that you have is already within you to succeed. I thank God for this. But I want you to get more information below. You got to learn more to get what you want. Let's go.